Understanding Get a Tan, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very common English phrase, get a tan. We'll break down its meaning, usage, and some cultural contexts around it. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, this video will help you understand this phrase like a native speaker. So, let's dive in. Get a tan refers to the process of darkening your skin by exposure to sunlight. When someone spends time in the sun, their skin reacts by producing more melanin, which leads to a darker color. This phrase is very common in English-speaking countries, especially in contexts involving beaches, summer, or outdoor activities. Key points. Tan is both a noun, the darker skin itself, and a verb, the action of darkening your skin. Cultural preference. In many cultures, having a tan is seen as healthy and attractive, though this varies globally. Let's look at how to use get a tan in different sentences. 1. I'm going to the beach to get a tan. 2. Be careful not to get a tan. Wear sunscreen. 3. She's been sunbathing to get a tan for her vacation. Practice time. Try creating your own sentences using get a tan in the comments below. There are several related phrases that you might hear. Sunbathing, lying in the sun, often to get a tan. Tan lines, marks on your skin where you got a tan except where covered by clothing. Suntan lotion, cream or lotion used to help get a tan or protect against sunburn. While getting a tan is often seen as desirable, it's important to remember the health aspects. Sun exposure risks. Too much sun can lead to skin damage or increase the risk of skin cancer. Sun protection. Always use sunscreen to protect your skin, even when trying to get a tan. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, get a tan, and how to use it. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about the culture and practices associated with them. Stay safe in the sun, and see you in our next video.